Here is the reading for August 16, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 1028 screen signals. The window added 38 net signals. Material added 4, intelligence added 17, network added 8 and diversity added 9. About 34.3 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 250, intelligence for 91, network 136, and diversity 151. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. The evidence trail is in the description below this video. On screen, I'll use the receipt as a governance check, rules, appeal routes, ownership, and distribution. Material: Nvidia weighs $3 billion stake in SB Energy for OpenAI buildout. It is marked concentrating with 250 signals in the window. Governance test: who owns the capacity, who audits it, and who can challenge misuse? Intelligence: rogue AI enters the present tense. It is marked strained with 491 signals in the window. Governance test: are the rules legible when the system recommends, ranks, or decides? Network: US pushes 35 nations into an AI alignment test. It is marked concentrating with 136 signals in the window. Governance test: does the platform preserve exit routes and accountability for users? Diversity: UK entry jobs tighten as AI hollows out the ladder. It is marked concentrating with 151 signals in the window. Governance test: are participation and appeal built in, or treated as afterthoughts? Start with the changes, not a headline. Material added 4, intelligence added 17, network added 8 and diversity added 9. That mixed movement puts governance in the foreground. Who can inspect the rules, challenge a bad decision, and share the capability that is being built? Conscience is unchanged from the prior edition, with a balanced reading at 43 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 77. Treat the conscience score as an audit prompt. Diversity is concentrating and network is concentrating, neither label proves a fair result. A credible system makes its rules legible, gives affected people a route to contest them, and lets the resulting capability travel beyond its owners. The useful close is operational: make the rule inspectable, give people a route to contest it, and measure whether the new capacity reaches beyond the owners. That is how a capability claim earns public trust. For the fuller evidence trail, today's The Cure protocol is referenced in the description below this video, where the details and limits are laid out in full.